Barge update. I'm a terrible uploader. This is why I don't do YouTube. But not gonna lie, it's looking pretty good. So this is what we've done. We got these 3 totes. We got a bunch of water in them. It almost looks like it might be taking on a little bit of water. Hopefully not. And then we got this wood on top of it. And yeah, so now I got this plywood here and here. I also have pasty white shorts on, trying to get some sun on these bad boys. Bunch of plywood is gonna go all over this, not on him. He will be going. And I was gonna do the same thing over here, but I really think that it's gonna be big enough now as is. It's hard to put in perspective, especially on camera. But from where I'm standing here, all the way over there, I don't know, that's like maybe 18 feet or so. And then this way, ooh, might be it's like 25 feet, give or take. Fire pit, we're gonna have a hammock right there. This is gonna be your driving putting green, so we can hit golf balls that way. Bathroom over there, and we're gonna have a stand-up bar right there. And then a roof, pillars right there, and like here-ish, and we'll have a roof about 10 feet tall. A little bit shorter than this probably. Got the light bars up on here. Yeah, and that's where we're at. I'm doing a terrible job recording it just because, you know, it's in the moment, and I'm just not thinking about recording it because fuck YouTube, whatever, I don't care. It's more so just because people keep asking me, you should make a YouTube, you should make a YouTube. I picked up this Jeep. I don't know if you can see or not. We'll try. See if we can zoom in. See the back end of it. I got an old Jeep Cherokee that we got the top off of because it was rolled. So I got it for really cheap, and the roof was crushed in. So I've done this before where we just take a hacksaw, get a couple friends over, a couple beers and us, and we just cut it off just right at the roof line there, right at the door line, you know, all the glass and whatnot, just everything above that, just take it off. I'll try to put that later in the video. I'm going to get started on this plywood. Is on fish patrol, and hopefully I'll check back in, actually learn how to speak, actually get this video uploaded. Thanks. All right, I'm gonna lie to you guys, it couldn't have been done much better. So I still need to add a corner support right there, and same on the other side. And I need to trim this up, and then I've got plenty of plywood left over. I've got like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, so like 8 sheets of this long stuff, and then like 3 sheets of this. Well, technically 4. That's just covering a grate, and 1 more down there. But I mean, I'll be honest, everything's bolted together. It's solid. We can walk on this whole thing, except maybe right there. I mean, you can step on. Look, you can. See? Totally safe. 100% safe. Totally safe. Out here, bud? Good boy. Be careful. He doesn't know about the edge yet. Like, that edge is a little... Hey, back up. Come on. But, like, you know, otherwise, we're going to trim that off. We're going to trim that off pretty much wherever the border is, which is going to be, like, right here. So cut this. I don't know where the 2x4 is under here, but somewhere, you know, we're going to cut it off. Overall, though, let's go back here. We got ourselves a barge. Dervish likes it. We're doing it. A couple other little pieces, like obviously, I need to come out here with the circular saw and cut up the, how do I do this? Those pieces to do a couple custom pieces, like right here and all throughout down here. Make this guy, obviously. But otherwise, I mean, like, we're pretty good on the deck. It does look like that one's kind of sinking a little bit. We might have to cut a hole in that and pump some water out. That can be done, I think. We're going to cut a small hole the size of this tube right here, stick that in, and pump water out. I did find a screw that was slightly piercing this over here. So that was slowly letting air out, and I don't know if it was just pushing it down with the weight, or what. But this one's kind of low in the water. Not gonna lie to you guys. Don't really know why. It just sort of is. The more I look at it, the more I don't like it though. Hopefully it doesn't sink. I mean, what's the worst case scenario? That one has a bunch of water in it and like the whole barge kind of goes, you know, a little tippy on that side, and then we'll just get out here, get a little wet, maybe we'll get in the kayaks or something, and we'll just pump it out, cut a little hole and stick that thing in there and get it out. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll actually get this video uploaded and keep doing more of them. Dope. Thanks.